Hey guys, so recently I got a 3D printer and it's pretty good. And what I've been thinking is many people have already started, but I'm gonna try printing some Beyblade parts too. Now, the parts I've made are either what I made based off someone else's and I edited it, or it's completely by someone else. Now, this one is Neo Sarkizo's base layer. This is my own layer mimicking the lift frame from Random Booster 11. Not sure. This was based off of, and I will leave the original print below. It was more of a like a MFB WD before, but I kind of like flattened it, and now it's more of an attacking driver. So, and then finally I made like this metal Valkyrie thing, and it's actually really heavy. These three are metal. This is a little bit of plastic, but most of it is metal, and this is plastic. So I will be giving them all their own combos, and we'll be facing them against the 4-spin Emperors, and finally Spriggan Requiem in the mode that would counter it. Okay, let's get started. So the first combo is for the base layer, which is going to be 2 Meteor Defense. Okay. Now we have this, the lift frame, and that'll just be going on stock drain Fafnir. This driver will be going on Legend Spriggan, sorry, and 7. Really tight. And then finally this will be getting 6 and variable. Now the variable does have rubber bands. Since I don't have a Takiratomi variable, so I put rubber bands here so the Hasbro driver does act like a Takiratomi bay. Yeah. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna do the base versus all of the 4-spin Emperors. Okay. And everything's gonna be first to 2 except Spriggan Requiem, which is gonna be first to 3. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, first is yeah, this is gonna be an impenetrable defense. Okay. Trying to get this out. Okay. Not even a click. It got a click on Excalibur. 3, 2, 1, let it go. Yeah, that's the defense. It does wear it down a little. And if you punch it hard enough, it acts like crazy. Okay. And he won the first battle. Now it's this guy against Zillion Zeus. And you might be wondering why I launched the base first. That's because this thing has crazy stamina too. So even though it's a defense type, This has more stamina than Zeus. See, look, it's just not budging. Look at that. Defeats a stamina type. Over stamina. Anyway, let's try it again. It's 1-0. These battles are going to be kind of long. This is probably the longest battle it's going to do. Okay, and it wins. Finally, I mean not finally, sorry. Now it's up against Stormspriggan. Okay, 1-0. Okay. And Spriggan is down. Okay, next we have Longinus, which will be the final of the Supreme Four. Okay, let me just get this launcher for it. Oh, wait. Launcher, sorry. Good. 3, 2, 1, let it go. Yeah, Longinus is not going to win against this guy. Okay, round 1 goes to this beast of a defense type. Dang, Longinus got 3 clicks. I don't even know how that. He bursted Longinus! No way. What? This thing is so round. I think it's like the frame poking out. It's like. Okay, so he won with 100%. That was crazy. Next we'll do Fafnir with the frame. Yeah, frame. It's gonna fall off every time I grab it, but it's not gonna fall off in battle. Unless, like, something hits it really hard. But it's not gonna fall off. It's not gonna fall off. Okay. Oh my gosh. No. Okay, we are not doing this combo. I didn't even test this combo. What are we gonna do instead? We need a different driver. We really need a different driver. Sorry, guys. This is like probably really irritating for you. Here, I'll put it on. Oh, so confused right now what I need to do. Just hold on, guys. Sorry. Here, I modded this as cell to be more of a rubber tip, so it's gonna be more calm. Okay, let's try this. This will still have LED though. Okay, this is gonna be good. Sorry guys, I changed the combo. Oh, I thought it bursted. Okay, it lost the first round. This does not look good. It's not locking in properly. If it loses this, then I'm gonna put it on the other way, which is actually better, and it might actually work with the housing grabber. Okay, yeah, we're gonna try it the other way. Sorry, this is probably really irritating for you now. Okay, here. So we're gonna put it this way, the other way. It's probably gonna work better. Okay. Wait, I said probably. Just need to launch it. There. Okay, round one Fafnir. Okay. Round two. Waiting. Okay. So one. Okay, next bay is going to be Zeus once again. Okay. Round one goes to Fafnir. It bursted. This is probably gonna go over with some edits. Still really heavy, really good. I mean, layer. I mean, brain. Yeah, these two are probably going to be the longest. Fafnir and the base layer. Okay, so it won the second round, so we can move on to Spriggan. Okay, round one goes to Fafnir. Okay, again, one, and probably final battle is going to be against Longinus. Oh, it fell off. Sadness. Okay, let's try that again. attacks can be high. Yeah, these are the total counter to this. There's like nothing. Get it? Nothing. Nothing. That's the left phase that can counter this. On the opposite spin as the opponent, you're gonna win. There's like no. Unless you do something stupid like you launch it super hard. And it's gonna burst. And it won. So this also had 100% win rate. Now, second to last bay we're testing is, part we're testing is this driver, which actually clicks in real nicely with Legend spraying. So let's try this out. Honestly, this has really high attacks on Scalper first. Dang, he like killed him. If he bursts him, that's all over. But he's not. He's not gonna get into the middle in time. Oh, is he? See, this is what I mean by low stamina. Not a click! That's impressive. Okay, no clicks on either. Oh my goodness. So that's still 1-0. And we're waiting for the results of this battle. Waiting. Scalper can last longer than me for some reason. Like, much longer than I expected. Okay. Again, it won. So now, Zeus. This thing's gonna burst instantly. It's just too much of a good. Or is it? Wow, it got a point. The one thing bad about this driver, it's just way too crazy. It's like the extreme version of but it won. Bursted it with one click. I think that's even better than Requiem. Maybe. You never know. Okay, let's try this out. Whoa. Gotta clean that tip. There. Go. Oh, the evasion tactic failed on it. Yeah, really failed on it. Okay, first round death. And then I'm gonna try this and right against. Actually, whenever I can switch a spin, I'm gonna do it twice. So you're gonna have to go through this twice, guys. Yay! So sorry. Love how like Longinus does that. Basically kills him, but sometimes it saves him. Longinus is a very strange being. Oh my goodness! Actually, that counts as Longinus because like WBO rules. So sorry guys, but that's 1-1. Longinus won against Legend Spriggan with that thing. Unless you don't want to count WBO rules. But let's turn it to left. Actually, yeah, left. So, okay, now it's left. Just gotta put it together. Okay, here. Now to do this whole thing over again. And now that it's left, I'm gonna launch it first, unless it's against all. And that's not going good for it. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna launch how I should. Okay, so Excalibur first, and then Spring. Oh, much different results. Oh my gosh, this thing has the LED monster. Dang. It's like almost dead for like a long time. Wow. That tactic though. That's crazy. Anyway, it won. Pick it up after it dies. Okay, 2 clicks. 0 clicks. Okay, next bay. Okay, let's see if there's no way we can save him this time. Probably can, but who knows. This is gonna probably be a really long video. I hope YouTube allows it. Please forgive me. Okay. Now against Spriggan. Okay. Round 1. Wins. Okay. Okay, anyway. And finally against the Destroyer. Launchiness. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh my goodness! Oh, by the way, that was a pocket out, but Longinus needs to step up his game if he doesn't want to be bursted. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was almost a ring. And he's just not catching up. Is he gonna lose? Is he gonna lose? And he lost. Okay, 1-1. He has to fight hard, man. Can't lose to Longinus again. This is like the bitter rivalry. Oh, I put him on the wrong launcher. Wait, there. Oh my goodness. So sorry, guys. So sorry. There was no contact in the beginning before it got into the pocket, so let's just call that Legend Spriggan, so I'm not going any longer. Okay. And it got 3 clicks though. That's crazy. Finally, the Metal Valkyrie. This thing looks sick. Okay, anyway. It's probably gonna break because it's just so big. It's bigger than Requiem. Okay. Excalibur. Valkyrie can't reach him. Oh my goodness! That was crazy! Double burst. These things, this is probably stronger than Excalibur. It's teeth, and it's huge contact points. So like, that to him. Yeesh. Thought you were better than that. Okay. I see how it is. Oh no, it broke. Already broke. I can fix that. I can fix it. As long as it lets me. Can fix it. Well, it broke. Sorry, guys. Oh, that's so sad. I don't even have a hot glue gun to save me this time. Well, the Valkyrie was cool, but it broke. You see the middle, like, fell off. And that's the locking mechanism. Well, we'll keep this here and we'll fix it later. But anyway, I guess we can move on with the other three against Requiem. First, the ultimate defense type against Spriggan Requiem in stamina. Almost put it into attack. Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay, I'm launching Spriggan Requiem on the launcher it came with because it's just not working on this launcher. It's just not working for me. Oh my goodness. Give me a second, guys. Spriggan Requiem is hard to control. Especially in stamina on this kind of launcher, it's just way too powerful. Okay, you know what? I don't care if it stays in stamina. I'm just gonna launch it super hard. Oh, now it stays on stamina. Well, now we're waiting. I think the only counter to this is a good LAD left bay. Or a really, really, really high stamina bay. Otherwise, it can't be done. Oh, Requiem! No! Okay, let's try defense. We'll try every tip. No, every time it loses, we'll change the tip. So now it's in defense. Oh! Can it do it? Can it do it? No way. No. Come on. Yeesh, Requiem. Okay, and finally it gets attack. See if attack can save it. Gotta clean the tip. Sorry. There, it's all clean. Requiem acts really strange in attack. Okay, it lost. Legend Sprig. Just right. Since if he just changes direction, Requiem will just match him, so. Oh my gosh, it's so tight that when I try putting it on, it like got it out of the position. That's crazy. There. Let's try that again. There. Okay. First up, defense, since it's strong against attack. Okay, and oh, okay. Requiem lost in defense, so now it's time for attack. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Let's try that again. Oh, it burst in my hand. Didn't even get hit. I don't know what to call that. There's just too many rule contradictions. So let's try this again. Probably gonna be my last. Okay. 1-1. Requiem stays in this mode since that's what kept it alive. Legends freaking got 2 clicks, which is a record. No. Okay, now this thing has to switch to stamina. This is the longest video ever that I've ever done. It's 2-1. Okay, it's 2-2, and probably final battle unless something weird happens. Oh, I forgot to launch it on the right launcher. Sorry, guys. There. Okay. Chill. And Requiem wins. He actually gets a win. And finally, against Fafnir. So I will change this guy to left since we already know he's gonna lose if he's in right. So we want to challenge Fafnir. Fafnir's in stamina right now, so we're gonna put him Requiem in left attack. Requiem is so strong in left. Like Legends Dragon, that he is weak in left. But Requiem is strong in left, so it's like it's switched. Because he's stronger in left than he is in right. Ooh, sorry. At least mine is. It's kind of weird. See, I told you, attack is weird. And it lost. Barely. And it was an attack. Okay. Rematch. Stop. Suicide. Not rematch. Round 2, sorry. The tip is getting stuck in. Okay. Oh. The fusion has activated and deactivated. That was effects, activation and deactivation. Honestly, the stamina tip has less stamina than the defense and the attack. Oh. Never mind. Forget what I said. But it's not that good. It's more of a balanced tip. Because it technically is a balanced tip. Because it's just fusion. I'm getting really bored, guys. Sorry, this is probably taking so much time. You know what I should have done? I should have put all the parts on one day. Like, put the driver, the frame. I'll do that in the next video. Okay, Requiem 1 again. So that's 2 to 1. So I think we found the mode that Requiem is stronger in, so I'm actually going to launch Requiem first. See if he'll still win. Ooh, that was a strong hit. First damage. And Requiem 1. So these didn't quite amount up, except for this beast. Well, thank you guys for watching, and before you go, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, because if I get at least 2 likes on this video, I will be making a video on this beast. This is crazy. Look at that detail. So if you want to see this thing, then you better comment and like. And please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later. Bye.